Okay, you wanna say bye-bye now or what? Okay, play now. Where's your baby doll? Oh wow. Do you want Jeline push you? Wow, that's a big. Where you going? Jeline, can you push her? Okay, push her. Oh, broken. Broken. It break. Maybe it's you too heavy now, anak. Just put all your baby there, anak. Are we putting your stuff now? Okay, bye, mommy. Not yet. Are you going to the store? Okay, mommy. We'll wait here, mommy. Where you going, mommy? Okay, mommy. Oh, where you going? No money. Where's your money? Where you got your money? You got your money? Okay, let's go grocery now. Okay, bring your grocery. Come back here now. Oh, that's the store. Okay. Potato. You had your money, baby? Potato. Hi, baby. Oh, strawberry, baby. Lemon. Carrots and corn. Green pepper. Pear. Yes, pear. Juliana, do you want to go eat now? Maybe Jade? Oh, really? Oh, where are you going now? Okay. Oh, your wallet, mommy. Okay.